What's your madam? Your name?
मेरा नाम है सुजाता.
Your name is Sujata. Old age?
61.
61. So you tell me, what are all the problems your mom had?
Yeah, so basically when we had come here, she had hernia and hyperthyroid and many more diseases,
What are all those?
diabetic and all of that.
Mm.
But then she, after taking this medicine from you, like it's actually worked wonder for her, because hernia they have asked her to do a surgery before, but however after taking your medicines, it has come from 10 centimeter to 2.5 centimeter, which is really great, doctor. We always thank you for
In
that.
how many days it has come?
Just in 1 month.
1 month.
Yes.
So what about other problems?
Other problems also have come into a picture, like it's reduced
Mm.
when comparatively before
Wonderful.
that. Yes.
Because actually in the world there is no science for curing hernia.
Correct.
Hernia in the sense internal gangrene.
Yes.
Only the solution is surgery.
Correct.
But in this miracle drinks, Neo Ayurveda, it is wonderful. Your mother is an angel to the entire, humanity of the world who are suffering from this problem.
Yes.
Because people will get, they will not have any hopes to get, 100% recovered without surgery.
Correct.
So now they can have, that hopes.
Correct.
Okay, thank you,
Yes.
Ernest. Thank you. Thank you.